are a small practice of two clinicians, myself and my husband, who've been in practice for about 15 years, working with a variety of clients. We work with depression, mood disorders, anxiety disorders. We look forward to working with clients from the rehab gym. So initially when I meet with clients, I do an assessment, and that is pretty much just asking questions about your background, what it is you're struggling with, what some of your experiences have been like with mental health. I think a lot of people are kind of intimidated, a little bit anxious about seeking mental health services because I think we have a tradition culturally to think of mental health in a negative way. There's a fair amount of stigma. So I do what I can to inform people and hopefully help lessen that stigma about mental health. I ask pretty personal questions, as you can imagine. It's more about like what you're comfortable with answering. Sometimes that people are willing to come in and talk pretty openly right off the bat. Some people are slow, and so it just depends on the person as well. But I do try to get as much information as possible initially. So thinking of yourself as a whole person, I think the mental health piece is pretty important. And so that's what, when it comes to clinical work, we focus on the mental health aspects of a person. So I see it as definitely a complement to what you're already working on. And it's our hope at Kismet to work in collaboration with your rehab coaches so that we can support what you're doing in a more fluid way, a more consistent way, so that at the end of the day, you have a better outcome. You reach the goals that you're trying to reach. And most insurances cover mental health counseling, and we take all the major insurance companies: Blue Cross, Medicaid, Cigna. I take TRICARE, which covers the military families. Well, I look forward to working with you, and feel free to call me or look us up on our website at creativecounselingtherapy.com to know more about myself and my husband, Lee Gardner. See you soon.